Hello friends, welcome to another interesting program in the series of Coding with Rect Professor. In this program, we'll make rock, paper, scissors simulation game. In order to understand rock, paper, scissors game, you need to understand that scissor can cut paper, rock can break scissors, and paper can wrap up the rock. So whenever, let us say, computer selects scissors and we select paper, we'll lose. And if computer selects rock and we select paper, we win. So it's just a matter of arranging all those combinations in such a way that everything else falls into place as far as results are concerned. So we are again going to use random module. So we will select the computer's choice from this list. This list consists of rock, paper and scissors. So let's run the first cell, enter your choice, let's enter rock, and the computer's choice was paper. We can get an input from the user and then we can select one random choice from this list. That will be the choice of the computer, and then we'll compare it. So how do we make a program out of it? So let's see. So while true, because I would want this to run until the time we find a perfect match, because if both computer and the user get the same choice, then it's a tie. So while true, this list computer's choice is generated. We take the choice from the user, and if the user choice is equal to computer choice, we print that the computer choice was computer choice and our choice is also the same, so it's a tie and we need to try again and we break it. But if the choices are different, then we have these options. If computer choice is rock and user choice is paper, we say the computer choice was rock and we win because paper can wrap up the rock. And if the computer choice is rock and the user choice is scissor, we are going to lose. If the computer choice is paper and the user choice is rock, we again lose. If the computer choice is paper and user choice is scissors, we win. If computer choice is scissors and user choice is rock, we win. And finally, if computer choice is scissors and user choice is paper, then we lose. So let's run it. So this is going to be the user's choice. Let's put scissors. Computer choice was rock, so we lose. Now because it is put in while true loop, so it is going to run again and again and again until we stop it. So enter our choice, we say rock, we again lose, we say paper, it's a tie, so we are out of the loop, and then we can run the program again. So this is how simple the rock paper scissors game is in Python. So you need to use random module to pick a random choice for computer, and you need to use the input command to get an input from the user. Then it's simple if-else statements. And I hope you liked this small little program, interesting one. And if you did, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. I'll see you around. Take care. Bye.